Do you actually know how your site stacks up against your top competitor right now, technically, authority-wise, content-wise? Not a gut feeling. A real structured answer with scores, issues flagged by severity, and a prioritized list of what to fix first. Most people don't, because getting there manually takes hours. This tool does it in under a minute. A proper SEO audit isn't one task, it's 5 or 6. You need to check your technical infrastructure, pull competitor domain data separately, review your on-page elements, and then sit down and write a prioritized recommendation list from scratch. For even a modest business website, that whole process takes anywhere from 1 to 3 hours, and that's before a single fix has been made. For agency teams doing this for clients, that time multiplies fast. Website SEO Analyzer on TurboAgents takes a single URL and turns it into a full structured audit report. 4 scored health dimensions, a side-by-side competitor intelligence table, 5 technical issues flagged by severity with plain language fixes, a 6-task prioritized growth roadmap, and AI rewritten title tags and meta descriptions. 1 input, 1 report, exportable as a Word doc. Let's run it. 3 fields. First, target domain, I'm entering Notion.so. That's the site we're auditing. Second, competitor, Monday.com. This is who we're benchmarking against. And it matters because the report doesn't just score your site in isolation. It tells you exactly where you're ahead and where you're behind relative to a real rival. And third, target market, USA. That shapes how regional ranking factors and competition are weighted across the whole report. Hit run audit. Here's what comes back.
At the top, 4 scores side by side, site health at 92%, technical at 84%, authority at 95%, and content at 96%. These give you an instant read on where the site is strong and where there's still room to work. Below that, the competitor intelligence section. On the left, a benchmark table, Notion versus Monday.com across 5 metrics. Domain authority, 93 versus 89, Notion is ahead. Backlink quality, measured by referring domains, 150,000 plus versus 85,000 plus, comfortably ahead again. Ranking keywords in the USA, 2.1 million versus 1.5 million, leading there too. But look at site speed on mobile. Notion's LCP is 2.8 seconds against Monday's 1.5 seconds. That red flag matters. And mobile UX score, 85 out of 100 against Monday's 94. 2 clear areas where the competitor has an edge. On the right, TurboAgents summarizes the strategic picture. Notion dominates brand-driven search and user-generated template SEO, while Monday.com excels in technical performance, core web vitals, and capturing high-intent, bottom-of-funnel comparative queries. That's actionable context, not just numbers. Next, the technical integrity section. 5 issue cards, each tagged by severity. The high-priority item, core web vitals, LCP, exceeding 2.5 seconds on mobile. The fix is written in plain language. Preload hero images and defer non-critical JavaScript execution on primary public marketing pages. No interpretation required. You can hand this directly to a developer. The 2 medium issues alongside it, JavaScript rendering bloat on marketing pages with a recommended fix of implementing server-side rendering or dynamic rendering to serve flat HTML to search engine crawlers, and orphaned user-generated template pages with a fix to deploy dynamic pagination, categorization, and breadcrumb cross-linking within the template gallery to improve crawl depth. Scroll down, and there are 2 more. Missing or incorrect hreflang tags and keyword cannibalization across blog and use case pages, each with equally specific remediation steps. Then the growth roadmap, 6 tasks ranked by category, effort, and ROI potential. The first, consolidate template SEO architecture, tagged technical SEO, engineering heavy, projecting a 20% organic traffic lift. The second, improve mobile LCP to under 2.5 seconds, also technical SEO, high complexity, with a medium 10% organic CTR improvement projected. Third, build programmatic alternative to competitor pages, content strategy, medium complexity, high ROI, targeting 15% bottom-of-funnel conversion uplift by capturing users already searching for Monday.com, Asana, or Jira alternatives. The remaining 3 cover international hreflang architecture for a 25% international traffic gain, FAQ schema on core use case pages, and a content refresh program for legacy blog posts. Every card tells you what to do, why it moves the needle, and how hard it is to implement. And finally, on-page optimization. The current page title, Notion, One Workspace, Every Team, is shown struck through with TurboAgents' stronger recommended version underneath. Notion, the all-in-one workspace for notes, tasks, and projects. Same treatment for the meta description. The current version is generic. The recommended one leads with a clear benefit. Transform how your team works with Notion. Discover the ultimate all-in-one workspace for seamless note-taking, project management, and team collaboration. Ready to copy and paste straight into your CMS. Alongside those, TurboAgents surfaces 5 high-value keywords to weave into the page: all-in-one workspace, project management software, knowledge-based tool, team collaboration platform, and productivity app. When you're done reviewing, hit Export Word in the report header. You get a fully formatted doc, the complete audit, scored, structured, and ready to share with your team or client. Think about what just happened. A full competitive SEO audit, scored across 4 dimensions, benchmarked against a real competitor with 5 technical issues flagged, a 6-task prioritized roadmap, and rewritten on-page elements, delivered in under a minute and exported as a report. Doing that manually, even for a small site, takes 1 to 3 hours. For an agency, that's billable time on every single client. Website SEO Analyzer on TurboAgents gets you to the same starting point in seconds, at a fraction of the cost. If you've been putting off your SEO audit because it felt like too much work, this is how you start. Try Website SEO Analyzer on TurboAgents, link in the description, and if this was useful, subscribe.